Hey, I'm Mike, your Skullcandy user guide, and I'm here to show you how to use your new Sesh earbuds. Your earbuds will automatically turn on when you remove them from the case, and they'll automatically turn off when you put them back in the case. To pair to your device for the first time, put your earbuds in the case, and then remove them. This will automatically turn Sesh on, and the flashing red and blue LED will indicate that you've entered pairing mode. To pair to a new device, manually power down your earbuds by holding the left button for 4 seconds. Once turned off, press each bud for 2 seconds to power on and enter pairing mode. The voice prompt will say
Pairing,
and you can select Sesh from the Bluetooth device list. Sometimes you want to be able to hear your music, but still hear what's going on around you. When you want to do that, you can use just one earbud. We call this mono mode. Only the left earbud can be used for mono mode because the left bud is a primary bud. If you want to use mono mode, make sure both earbuds are on and connected, and simply place the right earbud back in the case. The left earbud will remain paired and still work with both music and calls. Sesh has a full suite of controls on each earbud to keep you connected without having to touch your phone. To pause or play music, press either bud once. To turn up the volume, quickly press the right bud twice. To turn down the volume, quickly press the left bud twice. To skip a song forward, press and hold the right bud for 2 seconds. To skip a song backward, press and hold the left bud for 2 seconds. To take a call, press either bud once. You can also end the call by pressing either bud once. To reject a call, press and hold the right or left bud for 2 seconds. To activate your device's assistant, quickly press the left bud or right bud 3 times. To charge your earbuds, place them in the charging case. The earbud LEDs will be a solid red while charging. The LEDs will turn off when fully charged. To check the power left in your charging case, simply press the button on the front of the case and the 4 white LEDs will show the percentage of the battery left. 100%, 75%, 50%, or 25%. To charge your case, plug in the micro USB cord and connect to a computer or wall charger. And finally, if you ever need to reset your Sesh to solve pairing difficulties, make sure Bluetooth is turned off on your device. Then remove just the left earbud from the charging case, allowing it to power on, and press it 6 times. The LED on the earbud will flash red, automatically power off, and reset. Now place the left earbud back in the case. Now remove the right earbud and repeat the same steps. This will clear Sesh from all your paired device lists. Now, when you remove both earbuds, they will enter back into pairing mode. If you ever have any questions, you can reach out to us on social at Skullcandy. You can search our support center on skullcandy.com, and you can always email us.